May is Military Appreciation Month, and while veterans earn many benefits during and after service, many of their benefits go overlooked, especially VA loans. Recent surveys show about a third of military homeowners did not use a VA loan despite the many benefits.
Here with us now to talk more about the benefits and misconceptions about VA loans is Kevin Parker with Navy Federal Credit Union. Thanks for speaking with us today.
Thanks for having us, Amanda.
Active duty, retired military, and their spouses, they all qualify for a VA loan. So can you tell us what exactly are the benefits of using one?
Yes, I think it's a great question because it really comes down to what's in it for me. And the major benefits of a VA loan really comes down to affordability. Now, affordability, you can break it up into two different factors. One is the monthly payment, how much you're going to pay a month. And that payment is generally lower in VA loans because you're getting a better interest rate. And then the second major benefit is the down payment requirement. Traditionally, on conventional loans, most lenders are going to want you to put down 20% to take advantage of the best interest rates. Well, here's how the benefit of VA loans comes into play. The fact that you can get that same interest rate you can get by putting down 20%, just like you can on 10% and 0%, meaning you don't have to make a down payment on a VA loan and you can still take advantage of the good interest rates.
And Kevin, you kind of went into this, but can you talk a little bit more about why is it critical for veterans to know about this option when they're buying a home?
Yeah, I mean, it really comes down to financial literacy and just having awareness and understanding of how you can benefit yourself and benefit your family. And if I were to ask any borrower, whether you're a civilian or veteran, hey, if I can give you this product that's going to be a better for you overall, you're going to pay less, are you interested in it? Most time, more times than not, you're going to say yes. But the problem we see is awareness. A lot of our veterans, unfortunately, just aren't aware. And so that's what we're trying to do with this VA Spotlight Report, just making sure that our veterans and family members just know, just that they're aware these benefits are already there waiting for them to use.
Not only are they not necessarily aware, but there seem to be some misconceptions about using a VA loan. Can you tell us a little bit about them?
Yeah, that's spot on, Amanda. And so when we did this report, we realized three things. One, you mentioned it in your intro, and the fact that a third of the veterans didn't even think to use a VA loan as part of their mortgage process. So that kind of deals with the eligibility awareness aspect of it. But one of the second misconceptions is they think it just takes too long. They think it takes longer than your normal loan. And that's not true. We did some studies to realize that the cycle times, meaning the time that you start your application from the time you close, are approximately the same, whether you do a VA loan or whether you do a conventional loan. And then the third misconception we found out is that veterans think that it's just too much paperwork. Because maybe it's dealing with the government or because it's called a VA, they think it's a different process. The process is the same. You're going to apply to your bank or to your lender like you normally would. And then the paperwork, the only thing we need in addition to everything else that's required for all the same loans is a certificate of eligibility. And that's a good thing because that tells you exactly how much you qualify for and it shows your benefit of being a VA.
All right. Well, Kevin Parker, thanks so much for sharing that information with us. Of course, we're going to have more information about this on our website, WFXRTV.com. Kevin, thanks again for speaking with us.
Oh, thank you. Appreciate you.